Yeah, hi guys. I stumbled on something. I mean, this, and I would like us to create it on the history of cybercrime. So, always remember the first thing you need to do is to set your layout to blank, after which you come in with a rectangle and make it uh, in a shape of your choice. But mine, this is what we want to recreate, and this is what I have decided to go with. Uh, Adjusted the rectangle and rotate it in this direction. Then I changed the fill color. After which I came with a circle. I draw a circle and place it place it on the top at the tip of the rectangle, and I duplicated it and make it smaller. So I inserted it, and that was also formatted so as to look like what we are trying to recreate. So do well to hit the subscribe button on your screen and also turn on the notification button. Help us to know what we are doing is fine. So I did this for all the points, and after which I came in with the logo of each and every sport that I want to recreate. So I came with it just like you are seeing, and I came with a text too, a text box stating um what and the year this started, and it's going to span across all those sports you are seeing. It's just telling us about the history of cybercrime. It's not a thing of today, that has been in existence for some while now. Okay, so after which this is what you get. Then the next you want to do is to insert a blank slide and take it up. And the essence of this is just for us to have an intro, just have an intro words to show your audience, I mean our audience, what we are about to present to them. So when I decided to make the background this color at first, just so we can come in with our text, which is history of cybercrime. And I'm when we say history of cybercrime, talking about history of cybercrime globally, globally, what leads to this. Then we select the second slide, and we try to also make it look have the same background with the first slide. After which I decided to just change the um, the background to have a cyber effect with a lock, a cyber effect with a lock, just to illustrate and to also further prove what we are trying to do. And if you look at our prototype, our model, you will see that our model is also carrying some similar background. So I decided not to make it exact. Actually, I decided not to make it exact. It's a deliberate thing. So after which you start selecting all your components one after the other. And for this, I use wipe, and I change the orientation from left to right for all the bars, all the black bars. And for the big circle, I choose wipe still. And for the small circle, the white in, I choose fading. And for all my text too, I choose fading. And one thing I try to do is to make sure that the animation happens sequentially. It happens sequentially, and at the end of the design, we'll all see how it looks like. So what I applied to the first point was what I applied all through the slide, which is what we really want to achieve, and that was what it is. So I decided to you know use just two animation type, which is what my wipe and my fade. My wipe and my fade. I don't want it to have too much animation, and clicking to check, and this is what our final output looks like. Isn't this nice? Isn't this awesome? So please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel once again. Thank you for always being there for us. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.